जय श्री राम। हरि अनंत हरि कथा अनंता, कह ही सुनहि बहु विधि सब संता। कह ही सुनहि बहु विधि सब संता। रामचंद्र के चरित सुहाय, कल्प कोटि लगी जाहि न गाय। हरि अनंत, दैट इज रामायण, राम कथा, कृष्ण कथा अनंत है, इनफाइनाइट। एंड राम भक्त ऋषि मुनि लोग सुनते और सुनाते हैं बहुविधि, with many variations. About 600 Ramayanas are there. And how many times Rama came is also not known. Hanuman actually prevented Rama in one of the versions from going back. So Rama dropped his ring into a sinkhole into the ground, and the ring disappeared to Patal Lok. So Rama requested Hanuman to get it. So Hanuman went down. And he reached the Patal Lok and he asked Vasuki. Vasuki pointed to a place where he went, Hanuman went and saw huge mountains of rings. And on noticing closely, he found all rings are Rama's rings. So he came back and asked, which one is Rama? He said, I don't know. Rama came billions of times. So now I am telling you this because I want you to understand that I too, when I am discussing Rama, when I am doing Ram Charcha, I am inspired by Hanumanji, who keeps constantly giving me epiphanies about Rama. Jayesa harikate cha godi, Jayesa harikate cha godi, uthe nichnavi avadi, uthe nichnavi avadi, tayasa jodali jodi, sarvottamachi. Samartha Ramdas ji, who is an incarnation of Hanuman, said, whenever you deliver a talk, pravachana on Rama or any for that matter, any pravachana, it should be such that the listener, even if he is a regular listener, constant listener, he should find it new and novel and spiritually uplifting. So you must Jaya Tayasa Jodali Jodi. You must integrate. You must, dovetail everything that you have learnt in your life and explain it as inspired by Sri Rama. Tayasa Jodali Jodi Sarvottamachi. Only then is the Kathavachak Sarvottam. That means he is the best Kathavachak. So Ramachandra ke Charita Suhai Kalpakoti lagi Jahina Gai. Even if Kalpakotis are spent in trying to explain, you will not be able to complete the Rama saga. Hari Ananta Hari Katha Ananta Kahi Sunahi बहुविधि सब संता। रामचंद्र के चरित सुहाय, कल्पकोटि लग जाहि न गाय। जय श्री राम।